Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor V20 and let me show you how to add photo to contacts. First of all, you need to open your phone gallery, then go to contacts and choose the contact that you want to personalize. Now mark edit, click on camera icon, which is for profile picture, and as you can see now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. So select the photo that you want to apply, or let's go back, or grab a photo right now. Oh, sorry, I do have my timer set, but now it is done. So here we've got the picture, tap on confirmation mark, customize it as only you want, and tap on confirmation mark again. Wakey wakey. So it has not been saved, there's some issue, but let me just recreate the process. Just let's switch the timer off, and now we can grab the same picture. Now confirmation mark, confirmation mark again, and just save it. So that's it. As you can see now, it is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.